Mountains of soiled and contaminated linen from hospitals, hotels, and other industries arrive daily at your laundry. We know that separating it is a very hard task for your operators, which can endanger their safety. That's why we present Sortech, an innovative solution to sort it automatically. It handles and classifies clothing for your operators, preventing them from coming into contact with contaminated linen. It works at a high, constant, and non-stop pace. Using RFID readers, it identifies the category of each item to avoid errors in sorting. It has removable doors, lights, panels, and drawers for better accessibility and easy maintenance. And it has several configurations to provide a customized solution to each laundry.